Earth. To us, it feels unimaginably big. Oceans stretch for thousands of kilometers, mountains rise above the clouds, and the horizon feels endless. But in the vast arena of the solar system, Earth is just one planet among many. Today, we are going to compare the size of our home to every other planet in our cosmic neighborhood. From the tiny worlds closest to the Sun to the mighty giants at the edge of our system. Curious guys. Let's start with our home. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the biggest of the rocky planets. It's about 12,742 kilometers wide, almost 4 times bigger than our moon. Earth isn't a perfect ball. It's a little flat at the top and bottom and wider around the middle, like a squashed sphere. About 71% of Earth is covered with water, huge blue oceans with land rising as mountains, valleys, deserts, and forests. Earth is heavy too, with a strong gravity that holds on to air and gives us an atmosphere. And this atmosphere is what makes life possible. From space, Earth looks like a beautiful blue marble, with white clouds swirling around and green and brown lands showing through. Compared to some other planets, Earth is only medium-sized. But for us, it's everything. The place where life began and the only home we know. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun and also the smallest. It is only 4,880 kilometers wide, less than half the size of Earth. From far away, Mercury looks like a gray rocky ball full of craters. It has no air to breathe, no oceans, and no life. If Earth were a basketball, Mercury would be a golf ball beside it. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and almost the same size as Earth, about 12,104 kilometers wide. But while Earth is full of life, Venus is a deadly world. Its thick yellow clouds trap heat, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. If Earth is a beautiful blue marble, Venus is like its evil twin. Mars is the fourth planet, known as the Red Planet. It's about 6,779 kilometers wide, about half the size of Earth. Its surface is cold and dusty, with giant volcanoes and deep valleys. Robots and rovers have already explored its surface, but humans have not set foot there yet. In the future, we may walk here. Jupiter is the giant of the solar system, the biggest planet of all. It's about 143,000 kilometers wide, more than 11 times bigger than Earth. You could fit over 1,300 Earths inside Jupiter. Its great red spot, a giant storm, is even larger than our whole planet. Next to Jupiter, Earth looks tiny, like a pebble beside a mountain. Saturn is almost as big as Jupiter, about 120,000 kilometers wide. That's about 9 times wider than Earth. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings, made of ice and rock. If Earth could stand beside Saturn with its rings, our world would look like a small toy next to a shining crown. Uranus is about 51,000 kilometers wide, 4 times wider than Earth. It's a pale blue planet, and unlike the others, Uranus spins on its side. This makes it look as if it is rolling around the Sun. If Earth is a small marble, Uranus is a large beach ball beside it. Neptune is the last planet, about 49,500 kilometers wide, close in size to Uranus. It is a deep blue world with the strongest winds in the solar system. Earth looks tiny compared to Neptune, like a small drop of water next to a giant wave. So, how does Earth compare? It is larger than Mercury and Mars, almost the same as Venus, but much smaller than the giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. To us, Earth feels huge, but in the solar system, it is only a medium-sized world, a small precious blue dot in the vastness of space. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see a comparison of how humans would jump on different planets, let me know in the comments. Until the next video, be informed and stay curious.